Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to have you here today. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can join our little foodie family and never miss out on our weekly delicious recipes. Trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this one because today, we're diving into a quick and easy recipe for Cajun French fries that'll have your taste buds dancing. Now, let's talk ingredients. You'll need about 4 large russet potatoes, some vegetable oil for frying, and here's where the magic happens. We'll use a tablespoon of Cajun seasoning, a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of paprika, and a pinch of salt. Simple, right? But oh, the flavor explosion we're about to create. First, we're going to wash and peel those potatoes. Once they're nice and clean, slice them into thin strips. Think classic French fry shape. Now, don't stress if they're not perfect. Rustic is the name of the game. Next, soak those fries in cold water for about 30 minutes. This helps them get crispy when we fry them up. While those are soaking, let's heat up our oil in a deep pan. You want it to be nice and hot, around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your fries are ready, drain them and pat them dry. Carefully drop them into the hot oil and watch them sizzle. Fry them until they're golden brown and crispy, about 5-7 minutes. Once they're done, let them drain on some paper towels, then sprinkle that Cajun seasoning mix over the top while they're still hot. Give them a little toss to coat evenly, and there you have it. Crispy, spicy Cajun French fries. Until next time, don't forget to like, share, and of course, subscribe for more tasty adventures. Happy cooking!